Hi, this is Raj Lakshmi Mohan, your Power Body Transformer. So, are you eating a lot of sugar? Are you increasing your weight? Or are you putting on weight on other parts of your body like thighs, butts, hips, all those regions? So, how is sugar making you fat? When you have sugar in limited quantities, what it does is your body generates a hormone called insulin. That insulin sends the glucose out of the blood into the tissue cells and it uses that in the form of energy. But when you overload yourself with sugar or you have too much of sugar, instead of converting that into glucose, it gets stored as glycogen in the liver. Okay, so now when you have excess of sugar, your liver now expands with too much of glycogen in it, and that gets converted into fatty acids, and these fatty acids then start storing as fat cells into your butts, hip, thighs, stomach, arms, neck, because of which it makes you look bulky in certain areas, or you start putting on weight and you start looking obese. So what you can do to ensure that your sugar level or your sugar intake is reduced? Okay, first is you need to be more aware of what foods that you are having has sugar. Okay, there are some foods that you have where the sugar intake or the sugar in them is hidden, because it's not directly mentioned that it's sugar. You know, the ingredients have sugar in it. It might be corn syrup, brown sugar, fructose syrup. So be more aware of what foods you are having, or the ingredients in the food, what kind of sugar it is. Okay, whether they have sugar or hidden sugar. So be more aware of it. The second thing that you can do is, whatever you are having in terms of sweets, cut down to half. Okay, eat at least half of that. So if you like eating 5 gulab jamuns, have just 3 or 2 gulab jamuns. Okay, because this is how you are able to reduce your sugar intake. If all of a sudden you cut down on sugars, you will have withdrawal symptoms, because sugar is similar to that of they have the same receptors, or they give the same receptors as that of the drug. Okay, so try to reduce them. Don't completely cut them out. First try reducing the amount of quantity of sugar that you are having, and then in the long run you can reduce it to far extent. Okay, so let's face it, because Power Body does not improve by chance, it improves by choice. So make the right choice of reducing the amount of sugar that you are having. Until then, take care.